Hi, this is Miss Siciliana recording what Italian Sicilians do it better.
Italian Sicilians do it better. Oh, can't you see? From cooking to comedy, it's pure family. Turn it up. This groove's for you. Queens in the house, bringing something true.
Marcuccio, how you doing today, bro?
Same old. Bro.
Nice. And Nancy's in the building with us, right?
Hello.
How you doing over there?
How you doing?
Come over here and fucking show off.
Okay, you know what? I went Sicilian vibe, okay?
I know.
Don't even be jealous.
You look like you need to sing on a hilly mountain somewhere.
Dude, come on. She looks like she just got off un corretto italiano. Siciliana, I should say.
Madre mia pizzica, lei come sono oggi?
Avemo coraggio.
You guys are just jealous, okay?
It is. I have a dress like that. That's why.
So and I'm sure that it brings out your eye color like nobody's business, okay?
It can.
So we got Miss Siciliana back for another episode. The first one, I said, was a fun one.
Absolutely.
And you're always welcoming me like it's your own home. You know that.
Aw, thank you.
But last time, we had a great amount of time. But I want to ask you, are Italian women, or should I say Sicilian women, actually more traditional or outspoken?
You know what?
Here we go.
I think we're both. I think we are traditional, but we're very outspoken. We're loud. We're like loud people. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, what do they say? Como like, no, but you didn't come calabrese, not the staruda. You know, like, siamo opinionated.
But you know we could hear you, right?
What do you mean?
Like you guys are loud about it.
Sometimes you gotta hear a little louder, you know? Sometimes you get selective hearing.
It's like Enza says, we're not yelling, we're passionate. Is that it?
Yes, siamo passionate.
Yeah, but passionate then sometimes gets construed to anger.
Excuse me.
I'm just saying.
Italiani mascolo, you guys got that thing. It's called selective hearing. So sometimes.
Are we not built different?
Yeah. So I want to run for the hills half the time. Or jump off the Verrazano, either one.
So Marcus just nailed something in the head. Your opinion, since you're a woman, obviously, are Italian guys built different or just loud?
Hold on.
How did you do that?
Hold on. I had a twitch. I've been a widow for 5 years
That
now.
was like a malfunction.
I had a twitch, yeah. You guys are built,
Tell me, please.
you guys got to really built for the strong, and you got to be a little psychotic to deal with you guys. For sure.
Is that a one-way street, though?
I siciliani no faccio I femmine.
Uh-huh.
Siamo perfette.
And there's problem number one.
Listen,
No way.
I'm staying out of this because
We're not having this conversation.
No faccio siamo perfette. If you guys would just walk on that line, you know what I mean? No, you guys aren't like that. You guys want to take a left, a right. You guys want to go this way?
We like options. We want to know
what options. What is this, Baskin Robbins? You got all the flavors?
I'm not saying we got 31 flavors to choose from, but 2, maybe 3. I don't know.
2, 3.
If you're lucky.
That's too much.
Listen, I only get the cone.
He's got courage
Here's
right
the
now.
problem.
You got a Sicilian in front of you and a Sicilian behind you.
Don't worry. I'm waiting for the gunshot in the back.
Don't worry about it, because I got a pedicure done. I'll throw my shoe. Don't you worry about it.
The thing is, I'm not like that because I'm always given the cone. I'm never given the ice cream. So I'm a little. You like that one? You're like that?
You got shots.
Come on, look at that. I'm fucking on there.
Suave.
But I'm just saying, I would like to say, I don't think it's all of us. I think it's a majority. But I don't think it's all of us. Yes! Silence wins! What's up?
No.
I'm being respectful. I need to think about this first.
Because, you know, like a lot of people are going to see this. I just think that Italian men are, you know, you guys are difficult.
Okay.
Difficile.
Can you give me an example, please?
Like married Nancee or widowed Nancee? Like what kind of Nancee you are?
Give me one of each.
You want a general.
No, because you got to compartmentalize on this. You can't. It's not just that specific.
Well, you know what? I was married for 17
There
years,
we go.
so I will say that, you know, Italian men, Italiane, non Italiane americane.
Siciliane or Italiane?
I Siciliane. E potremmo parlare pure, you know what? I Siciliane. My marito è siciliano. So, I Siciliane, you guys want a certain type of wife. Ti piace quando, a moglie tends to the kids, which you should anyway. You cook all the time. You know what I mean? You take care of the house. You guys, ti piace. You don't go out, you guys, ti piacciono chisse. Now, I'm not saying that, it's hard, but I'm saying, it's...
She really doesn't want to hurt your
I
feelings.
know. I want her to. I want her
No, I
to.
don't want you. You know what?
Say what you feel. Just fucking
No,
say
I'm
it.
not going to say what I feel. You got to walk a certain line. You got to be a certain type of woman. You have to be a certain type of woman. Nascere o puoi essere con siciliano proprio che siciliano. Okay, you grew up a certain type of way.
So you
Because I feel you could get away with certain other things.
Sure.
Where you
and
can't.
what prepares you for that, right?
What do you mean, my mother Franca?
Okay, and what
my
else?
God.
What else? It's your mother and your father.
Yeah, well, yeah, my father. Yeah.
So
of
you're
course.
not. This is not something sprung on you. That's you would say new. You've seen this before. You know the road. You have the map.
Yeah, but what if I want to be like Dora the Explorer? And no, I'm joking.
Hey,
I'm just saying.
listen.
No.
Plenty people have. Plenty people have. Now the question is, do you want and have that comfortability of what you grew up with, or do you want something totally different, new territory?
I don't know. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something, right?
Sure.
Like I was married for 17 years,
Sure.
and you guys do know I'm a famiglia, like you do soon erano Siciliana,
Yes.
right? So now that 5 years, post everything, I still want uno que like Italiano, like I want those traditional values because at the end of the day, ci sono certe cose that like io capisco, tu capisci, and maybe l'altro non capiscono. You know what I mean?
Unspoken, really.
Yeah, unspoken. And like a big thing is like a famiglia, you know what I
Sure.
mean? So I like that.
Okay.
Ci sono like, hai amiche that like, they don't want that, one che differente outside of the Italian thing. And that's fine, that's if it's good for you.
Great.
Right.
For me, I want like a man's man. I want qualcuno che like, può parlare italiano, posso dire like, oh my God, ho visto che succedió? And they're like, oh my God, like I like
Everybody
that.
likes their own type of ice cream.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Not everybody likes 31 flavors, Marcus.
I understand that,
Okay.
but we can't say that's for everyone. That's a generalization. That's a proper
No.
generalization.
I get it. What are we liking? Like getting real technical here?
I mean, sometimes if I know that I'm losing, I have to.
But you're not losing.
I know. I'm just saying, like in general.
It's like all perspective. You know what I mean? It's
Exactly.
what you like. That's what makes the world go round.
Absolutely, it does.
Everybody has their feelings and thoughts and different types of way to
Sure.
show love, make love. And yes, I feel like for me it's the same thing. Family's important.
Yeah.
And not because I'm Italian, but that's my lane, right?
Right.
People stick to their lane and people sometimes shift away from it.
Right.
The other problem with this is the fact that I wasn't raised this way, so that's why I think I'm built a little differently.
That's because he's half Argentinian. Did you know that?
This
Ma non sapeva chi so, vedi, chi sono tutti i problemi sono
This
so.
whole time, I have a half Spanish person on my show, which doesn't matter. I'm just saying he's lied to me for centuries. I known him for centuries.
Can we go back to topic?
Is that
Oh,
nice?
I got a little emotional there. I'm
Well,
sorry.
you know what? I have cousins from Argentina, but I'm not Argentinian.
Right.
I'm
Well,
just saying.
again, technically, I'm not having this conversation right now. That's a
Why
later
not?
combo.
Why? You should be
Because-
proud of what you
because
are.
we need to be back to the topic,
Which is?
of the guys.
You said you
how
want
they're built.
31 flavors. There's nothing else to
so
talk
technically
about.
I'm two. I'm two flavors. So you're getting the.
Or you could be like Dr. Jekyll and Dr. Hyde.
You never know.
You never know.
That's true.
It's the way you look at it.
Now that I keep looking, you don't look Sicilian anymore.
No, he doesn't. But you know what?
Hola, ¿cómo tú estás, papa?
You see how natural? You see how natural that was?
Yeah, I saw.
He rolled off the tongue naturally for some reason. I don't know why. But going back to that, I think it's also on how people are raised. Again, I wasn't raised how most Sicilian guys are. How many times have you heard the mother treated them like the prince? They never did anything, so they want more of that later on in life. So you're not really getting with a man, you're getting with a child. A grown-up child.
I disagree.
No.
I disagree
That's fine.
because I disagree because again, I'm gonna speak as
you should.
a married woman.
Yes.
Right. When I was married, if you love your husband, you will do anything to make them happy.
Correct.
And that means, if I have to get up at 4 a.m. because you're going to work at 5 a.m. or is there's a dinner that you want or, you need a little space or you need more. That's what we do because we love,
It's a
our
want that
men.
you want to do these things.
Yeah, I want to
which
do
is
that with all
great.
my heart to make you
Absolutely.
happy.
And
you know
I
what
agree
mean?
with that. I totally agree with that.
So this brings me to my next question, and I know lately I've been talking a lot comparing reality to social media, although that's all we really do, right?
Yeah.
But it's because I also want to point out what's real, what's fake,
Right.
right? So there's a big difference when people see Italians on social media and a real Italian who's home, right? So I go back to that fake Italian nonsense, right?
Yeah.
Apparently, we're fake Italians
Okay,
because
great. Yeah.
we don't talk it, we don't write it. They think like they know
We
us,
never went.
but when does that get old, right? When do people realize it's an act versus reality?
Right. I mean, listen. You do your skits, I do my skits, and put you in Cristiano, and they're like, and it's the people che vengono proprio da Sicilia. They're like, oh my god, ma come sta parlando? Noi non parliamo così.
They hate us more, right?
They
The actually
do it.
Italian people hate us more.
Right. Like they're like, parliamo così. Okay, first of all, like this is a skit. This is me exaggerating things that I saw when I was younger. That's one. Secondly, noi ci siamo Siciliana in America. Okay, we're from America, so you know what I mean. It's not that we're watered down; we're just a different culture of it. You know what I mean?
Different
It's like
breed.
we are a different breed, but that's like if you're a Sicilian in Australia, you are a different breed. You know what I mean? It's like, what do you think? You come here, you're not going to assimilate a little bit,
Right.
The fact that it has to be spoken about is already the annoying part.
right?
It's already the initiation of the conversation of when is it enough. It's been the fact that it's even already being spoken about is enough.
I just feel like I sound like a broken record when I say, a lot of us are out there promoting the culture, right?
Yeah,
But a lot of people that say we're promoting the culture is insulting the culture. But the people who were born there and whose generations were first there and who speak it, who write it, who sings it, who dance it,
yeah,
they don't get the views and the love.
right.
They want to see the circus and clowns.
Right.
They get the love and the views because it's entertaining,
right.
right?
Right. But there's, like I say, and I am not putting anybody down.
No.
There are,
will.
and I grew up like my best friends. Like I have some best friends che sono like Siciliana come no altri, that they grew up in those kind of households. E poi c'ho best friends che sono like Americanate. And you are not less of anything. It's just there are different things. Like, you know what I mean? Like your parents, like growing up when I was in Middle Village, Howard Beach, everybody always wanted to be by my house because they know that mommy was gonna cook and they loved, what Franca made. And like the Petro Luigi was always like the funny guy and they would make fun of Ed. That he talking like this. That he's so funny. You know what I mean? But
Today, I feel like that's the only thing that validates your Italian when somebody talks it like it is.
yeah, like, you know what I mean? Like and I'm like, but like, it's just, this is just how I grew up. Like this was what it was, But then people are like, oh, tu non sei Siciliana. Oh, I'm sorry. You're going to tell me that I wasn't born there? You're going to tell me that I didn't come here when I was, 5 and my grandparents weren't back and forth,
Here's the
Like, give me a
problem, bro.
break.
Listen, here's the issue. You mentioned circus. The minute that we started posting, we opened the tent.
Yeah, you do. You
opened the tent.
You do.
100%. So whatever audience you get in to come look at the clowns, that's what you're going to get.
Yeah.
But there's another thing, that point that she made. How long your parents have been here now? And how long have you been here? What age did you come?
So I came here when I was 5.
5.
I came here when I was 5. So now I'm 44. So that's what, like 30? No, what is that? 39? No, something around 38, something around there.
Early 90s, right?
Yeah.
You came here.
No, I came here 85.
85. I mean, I was 1 year old. Anyway.
Oh, excuse me for me being a little bit older.
So my point was, like, your parents maybe got here in the 70s or 80s.
So no, I'm going to give you a little background. So my grandparents, right? They moved to Knickerbocker Avenue, right?
We all did.
Okay, so my mother used to live. What's the block? Dopo Circos. What was that? By the red.
Rod or Harmon?
Or maybe Harmon.
Yeah.
One of those. So Memachi, she
park.
she went back and forth. She came here when she was like, I want to say like 8. Okay. She lived here until she had to go to college. When she had to go to college, Menando was like, oh no, me figure se never get a l'Italia. So he moved her back to Sicily.
Really?
My mom was like, "Oh, I'm not having this," you know. So my dad is Siciliano. Like he didn't come here. My dad didn't come here until like 80. Okay,
Mhm.
so he basically lived here. He lived in Lindenhurst on Long Island first. Yeah, I guess he made his money. He did whatever, and then he brought my mom back here. But like my mom, and is like all'Italia, tu sai che chiamano quando vai a Sicilia Americana
Mhm.
because they consider her Americana because she the majority of
Went to
her.
school here and everything.
Yeah, she went to my mom went to Grover Cleveland. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, so that's what it was. But for me, I always thought of my macho like my mom was like the American one where like I could be like, I want to go out. When my dad was the immigrant. Like he was the immigrant. Like you hear him talk like he's been here forever. The English is very broken,
How funny is that, right? They've been here
Yeah.
forever and their English is broken, but then our moms,
Yeah.
sometimes you don't even hear the accent.
Yeah.
No, I feel
No,
like
my mom has not one.
my
yet.
mom doesn't have an accent either. Like maybe she has like that Queens Brooklyn thing going on,
Yeah,
but she
yeah.
has no Italian accent.
Right.
And like people are so crazy. People are like, "Oh, what does your mom do for a living?" I'm like, dude, my mom was a teacher. My mom was a teacher for the Board of Ed for like years. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's not, like it's not like that. Like, you know what I mean? If anything, my dad was the immigrant.
Right.
Right.
So
What I was trying to say too was we have it hard because at the time that they came here, right, it was a timing that we learned, we got raised with, and we try to now teach our kids and we keep it going. Meanwhile, and I said this earlier,
Mhm.
Italy's evolved to new and different things.
yeah.
So even our dialects, even though
Yeah.
we're from Sicily, because your dialect is a little stronger than ours,
Mhm.
there's like different types of tongues, I guess I'll say,
Yeah.
within the towns.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hers may not exist no more. Mine may not exist no more. But when they hear us over there, we're either Vidane, what are they doing? They still do that?
Yeah.
But I feel like we're the special ones because we're preserved,
We are preserved.
right?
Yeah, but we're
like
also
in a
out of
times
date.
capsule.
But we're that's also considered being out of date. We are living in a time of mind frame that is no longer walking amongst over there. We're the old timers in thinking. They're very like how New York, America is always being more and more modern. I can't understand half the slang that gets thrown around. Same fucking thing. Same thing.
Like
we're
that-
the ones who
That
just-
slaps.
That's fire, kid. This food is bussin'. I don't get any of the shit. But at the end of the day, that's what it is. Technically speaking, we're the wrong ones because we're not.
But we're not wrong.
We're not evolved.
But you know what? We are evolved. We are.
In
Listen,
what sense?
that's in what sense?
Not
This
in
is-
their perspective. In their perspective, we're way back when. Still.
Yeah, but it's like I told you, right? Life is made up of different perspectives,
Of
and that's
course.
what makes the world go round.
Absolutely.
So at the end of the day, you speak your way, I speak my way, and we're gonna, it's still funny.
Oh,
you
no,
still
no.
catch what I'm gonna say.
100%.
Right?
That's not going to
So-
change anything.
Yeah.
But coming from the thing is this: when you have the people who are hailing from the land who are saying X, Y, and Z about how you talk, how I talk, how he talks, how we're this, and that, it hurts a certain way because it's like we are saying we're from there, but you're shunning us. That's what I'm trying to say. They've evolved to what there was supposed to be. Now everything is unified. They don't have all these dialects anymore. They don't have this. They have that. So we're the fossil.
I really truly believe that it's like a Sicilia thing because Naples, i Napoletane, that dialect is
Will never die. It will
will
never die.
They have like for me anyway, right? I know
Yeah,
it's not a popular opinion. The best music, you know what I mean? Propria canzone napoletana. Like they are so proud of it. A Siciliana that we're like a minor, like what a minority language. Why? Why?
Right.
It makes me nuts. But again,
I think it's also from all of the bullshit that they've been hearing from other places. Because remember, it's we get these comments like Sicilians, not even just us. They're just saying Sicilians in general. They're very discriminated against.
oh my God,
Because
yeah.
so now that's the thing. Now I think what they're doing is a protective wall. We're not Sicilian, we're Italian. We speak one language, which is Italian. So now they will shun and shame their own to reverting them into what needs to be mainstream for them because they want to get out of that hole of you're Arabic, you're Moroccan, you're African, you're this. So they're trying to cut those off. you would want to say the rotted part. They want to try to cut that out.
But see, I disagree with you because there is a movement in Sicily that they're trying to preserve our language. And it's like, this, you know, they are trying to preserve it. And there are millions of people that speak it. And I don't think it's a language that will ever die, but I think that we do have to work on it to keep it alive.
Okay, but you proved my point just by saying that. They have to now work on preserving it and trying to keep it alive. Why? Because the initial problem is that they're trying to make it go away, or at least they did.
Yeah, but it's like we could say that about the New York accent. It's going away. You could.
Is it really? No,
it is going away. It is most
You
certainly.
serious?
Are you kidding? Because we talk
Are you
like
kidding
this.
me?
No, no, that I don't think.
Now, in it first, are you? Listen
For
to me.
real?
You go to Brooklyn, you go to Bay Ridge,
Okay.
you go to Bensonhurst, you go to like Sunset Park. You don't hear people talking like us anymore. You have a lot of transplants, and like people don't say water anymore. They don't say coffee. Like, you know, I work around a lot of different populations, and they don't even say coffee anymore. They'll be like coffee. I'm like, what? What is what? What do you mean?
What's changing?
Well, like
it's-
you said, transplants.
It's no, but it's not even transplants. I just think it's
What's a transplant?
a transplant.
Stop it. Just stop it.
I'm gonna tell you what a transplant is. Go to
He always thinks I'm
Williamsburg.
thinking the worst. I'm asking, what's a transplant?
Transplant. Go to Williamsburg and ask how many people are from New York, and they're not. It's like who's
Oh.
from Nebraska, Ohio.
Yes, there's a lot of
like-
people. Wisconsin. Yeah.
Why are people coming here? It's the worst.
Yeah, I
fucking
honestly, it's
time.
like running into the fire. I never understood
Okay,
that.
but you have to understand something. We grew up in the fire, right? So
Yeah.
we're used to it. So we're like pretty much numb
But
to
we're burning
everything.
right now.
Yeah, but we like. Do you really feel it? You don't really feel. You're like used to everything.
Well,
you see,
yeah.
like you're like whatever. You know what I mean?
It's whatever for us, but for someone outside coming in, that's you gotta like
But
want
they
pain.
like that. They like
That's
action.
fucking
When you're
insane.
like, but they want that. They didn't grow up like that. They grew up very like quiet, very like, you know, this for them.
We
is like,
would trade that in and get the fuck out.
We grew up crying and emotional.
Was that a gunshot?
We don't even have feelings. What feelings?
They don't exist.
They don't exist.
Because if you had feelings, people would definitely use that against you.
But you know what? Like I said, I'm like, it only made us tougher. It only made us tougher and
Yeah,
more
but it
resilient.
also made us stick out like sore thumbs. If we
Why?
go out to other states, which I've done, automatically, what do you think when the first person says, "Hi, how's it going?" First thing out of your head normally is, "Fuck does this guy want?"
Exactly.
That's a problem.
Why is
We're
that
the
a problem?
because we're the problem. Nancy, we're the problem. When you understand
I am
this.
not the problem.
Yes, we are.
I am a solution.
Listen, when other
Are you
people
kidding?
have a genuine
He wants to get shot today.
when people have a genuine hello, how are you? Nothing in the background saying I'm gonna take advantage. We're already saying, what's your angle? What's your
Excuse
deal?
me, how do I know that you're not taking advantage of
There's
it?
the New York.
Have you?
There's the New
no,
York.
No,
That's what it
Excuse me,
is.
have you watched those Netflix documentaries? Have
Oh,
you
God.
seen where they're coming from? Get out of here. No, don't say hello to me. Don't do me a favor.
But that makes us different than the other 49
I like
states.
being different. I love being different. That
This
makes
is why
me...
Sicilian women are combative.
I don't know.
This is why.
I don't know nothing. I love
Listen,
my Sicilian wife. I want to sleep in bed tonight.
Thank you. That's what makes us unique. First of all,
Yes, it
first of all,
does.
a man should be so lucky to have a Sicilian wife
Absolutely.
that knows how to behave outside.
Absolutely.
Will cook for you. Will deal with all your stuff, good and bad, and will always be there for you. And you know what?
Will love you even if she hates you.
And yeah, because there's no.
I feel like they want to
there's
hate you so they love you
excuse
more.
Me, there's no divorce. There's no divorce.
Yeah, I believe
Remember
that.
that, until you die.
Until you die. That
That's
was
it.
a promise.
That's it. E poi vediamo what happens in Paradiso.
I'm just saying, traveling, I went to Cali, I went to other places. It's a shitty feeling that I have to feel that there's always an angle. So they all automatically know.
It's not an angle.
I think there's an angle.
Yeah, but that's a good thing. You're being extra cautious.
In a state and in a place where that's non-existent. That means that
California.
well, I went to San Diego where You don't need that kind of guard. You really don't.
In San Diego.
Yes.
I'm sure if we check statistics.
Temecula? No, go ahead.
there's
Temecula.
There's like.
Go look in
The hell
Temecula.
is Temecula?
There you go.
I've never heard
It was
of it
one of the
before.
safest
Why
cities
would
in the
you go
U.S.
to
for
someplace
15
named
years.
Temecula.
Oh, my brother
It
was living there
doesn't-
for a minute.
All right, whatever.
There you go.
that's fine.
Ah!
But who would go? But who would go just to Temecula?
No, there's a lot of people who because
He went there
was like
because
15.
he used to watch Full House.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. I wanted to. No, that's San Francisco.
oh,
you fucking
I was
guy.
close.
No, he wants to start today. Oggi volevo cominciare.
I'm a little spicy today.
What's your horoscope sign? What is it?
Aquarius.
HD mean girl.
Oh, that's why. Now we got to bring the stars
why,
into
you
this.
Oh, you got Scorpios here.
That's
I
right.
know. I've been.
Scorpios are the best.
And
We're
my
the
brother's
best
a Scorpio
people.
too. I
The
can't
best
stand
people.
you guys.
Why?
Because you guys just don't stop.
With what? You're an Aquarius.
No.
Because we just got some amiga to
Yo,
win.
you
That's
didn't
what we
tell
do.
it pops.
You're an Aquarius. You're like very flaky.
No, I'm not.
You got.
no,
I
it's
think
not.
you got a little Capricorn in
No,
you
I'm-
too.
no.
Yeah, we got to do your chart.
Oh, you do charts
I
too?
do charts. I do.
Come on. Do
Yeah.
you, really, you like doing that stuff?
I believe in that. I'm sorry. I'm a Scorpio.
Really?
Listen, I
Oh my
am.
God.
Wait, what am I missing? What's a chart?
Yeah. So they
So
they
a
put up
chart.
a paper to the ceiling, and then they go, "Look, my stars."
No,
over there."
that is not a chart.
Where?
No, I'm being serious with you.
ahead,
When
go
I
ahead.
married my husband Sal, I was like, Sal, this is only gonna work out one way. He's like, what? I'm like, what is your sign? He was a Cancer.
Stop.
Wait, you were gonna walk away if it wasn't aligned with you?
Listen, my husband wanted me for like 5 years before we started going out. Like the poor guy really put time into this. Okay,
I'm the crazy one here.
what are you talking about?
No, keep
I
going.
was young and dumb. Leave me alone.
yeah,
Let me
continue.
be.
I want to hear your stories.
Anyway, here is my story. So when I finally got, like we got serious, I was like, no, really, I have a question. He's like, what's your question? I'm like, what is your sign? I'm like, I can only mess with Cancers and Capricorns, maybe a little Libra here and there. And he was a Cancer. It was fine. It was all aligned.
I understand that. I got you.
You
But
know?
why do you leave it to that?
What do you mean? I don't leave it to that.
No, you said
Wait.
no.
What
I-
would happen if you
Okay,
were with another Scorpio?
You could.
Scorpio.
Scorpio.
You're right.
It's not a good thing. That's not a good match.
Collide?
Yeah, it's too much. It's like it's either gonna be really, really, really good or really, really bad. There's no like in between.
So it's either a kiss or a gunshot. One or the
Yeah.
other.
So I was like, I do well with Cancers. I do well with Capricorns.
Well, they said that Aquarius is meshed with a lot of
My wife's
of the
Aquarius.
signs.
And I love you. I love Aquariuses. You guys are
Do
really
you now?
nice.
Now the
You know what
opinion
my
has
sister's
changed.
are
about-
you I don't like, okay?
She's talking about women.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, gotcha. Oh, this one.
You know, my sister is an Aquarius.
Okay.
My brother-in-law, Louis, who is like my favorite person in the whole wide world, he's an Aquarius.
See?
You guys are a
So
little,
the
We're
two Aquarius
creative.
they're
married.
two Aquariuses,
They
yeah.
go swimming a lot. Like what's
I'm not really
From my
sure.
understanding, Aquariuses are
Flaky.
no, not at all. I'm the most concrete guy you know. Trust me.
Very, like what?
Like any. Hey, you gonna be there? I'll
like
be there.
your head's concrete.
Yeah,
Like
well,
you can't get anything through there. All right, I got
Sometimes
it.
that's a more of a personality trait.
Okay,
That's
it's all right,
more,
it
or genetic. It could be genetic, but we're a very
Oh, it's a
creative
box.
group. We have imagination. We think outside the box.
Do you know?
Aggressive,
Oh,
independent,
There you.
highly intellectual.
Ha!
You're welcome.
Ai uscivereddu. Uite. Think I don't know?
that was really a middle finger.
Yeah, I know. it was. I saw it too.
I saw it.
Because remember, highly intellectual. I picked that up. he
no, you know who picked it up? The Scorpio. High five. Yeah.
said it. I thought it.
I got a great topic I want to bring up, but it's more towards the both of you guys.
All right.
The dating situations
Oh my God, no,
Oh,
please. I don't want to
fuck
talk
me.
about
versus then,
But,
because you know what then was, versus now, because here's the difference. When we were at that prime time, right? People went out, people went clubbing, people met FaceTime each other, right? Not phone FaceTime.
Mhm.
Versus today, it's applications and it's all this other nonsense, and you don't even know if the person's real, right? So here's a question for you. Let's start with you. Do
Why me?
Italian
Start with
men?
him
Start with
first.
me.
So
So I already
you?
got an answer
All
lined
right,
up
let's
for
start.
you.
Let's start with you first.
Sure.
Are Italian girls harder to deal with or just misunderstood?
You better say the right thing. Because I got a Palermo hat that could go flying at any minute, sir.
That means up your ace.
All right. Are Italian women, or is it in general? You said right.
Take it as you please. Just be careful what you say.
Okay. So I definitely believe a lot of it has to do with how they grew up. Now, if they grew up, again, family oriented, doing stuff the way that they think that they should, taking care of husband, family, house, whatever. I think that's great. I don't think that they're honestly. I don't think that would be. It's a difficult thing. Honestly, I don't think so.
A lot of Italian men don't like dating Italian women.
And I understand why.
They don't. They don't like it.
Because it's two very combative personalities. If you have that kind of personality, which most of the time it's very combative.
Well, it's funny you said that because my question to you was, do Italian men still want traditional Italian women?
Okay. So I'm going to speak 5 years being widowed. A lot of Italian men do not like dating Italian women. They don't, because Italian women want certain things. Like, you know what I mean? You have to be faithful. You have to be a provider.
They want the right thing.
They want the right thing. And we live in a world where, unfortunately, men don't like to do the right thing, and women sometimes don't. And I'm not going to say only men. It's men and women don't like to do the right thing. People want easier things. You know what I mean? So I always look at it like maybe they might want, someone that will make them just so happy at the beginning and doesn't have all this pushback, but like it's like a firecracker, it shoots up in the air really, really, really fast. But guess what else it does? It comes down really, really fast too. Where like an Italian woman, or for me, a Sicilian woman, we might be harder. We might have tougher personalities, but we're there for the long haul. Like, we're there till death do us part. And that is the problem in this society, that men and women, we want easy. Everything always easy. You want to have your option. You think, and it's not like that.
But you have to admit also, because I specifically know some people, and then specifically women.
Right.
They also are not like that. They like the bad boys. They love to get hurt. They love and
They love to get hurt. That's the wrong phrasing.
Yeah,
I would say I love to get hurt, but they just love that.
They're
they're constantly
geared
getting
to
hurt.
that. They're geared to it.
No, I don't think it's and you can't speak in general. I don't think it's that you want a bad guy. I think it's your heart falls in love with somebody, and then it's very hard to let go of that person. And
even if they're not good for you.
Even if I mean, listen, right? And I always go back to this. My friends know this.
She's smirking.
Carrie and Mr. Big. Do we remember Carrie and Mr. Big? Do you maybe?
Sounds familiar.
Sex in the City.
Oh, then hell no.
Okay, so Carrie and Mr. Big. So Mr. Big was every red flag that you could have for Carrie. And no matter how many bad things Mr. Big did to Carrie, Carrie always wanted him. Then she meets this guy, Aiden, and he was like the one for her. She left Aiden for Mr. Big. In the end, she married Big, right? She finally got her man after she finally decided she was going to move on and she was going to get married and move to Paris and do whatever. Point being, your heart sometimes will make you be with the person that you shouldn't be with, but not because it's very hard to let go.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because you really love that person, and you hope and you pray to God that it works. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So it's not a tendency to be with the bad person. It's a tendency sometimes you just love who you love.
And that's fine. But what comes with that is that you have to accept what comes with that.
Right.
So no pity party after, because at that point there is no pity, because if you knew full well, and it's all about acceptance. If you accepted that, you have to be okay with it till the bitter fucking end.
100%.
And that's where the other problem lies.
But I will tell you something that eventually you do wake up. Eventually,
you just don't know when.
You just don't know when. In life, everybody knows when you're in a bad situation. Everybody knows when something is not working. It's just you may not be ready to let go at the moment. But everybody comes to a point where you're like I am worth so much more, and there will be someone else that will give me so much more. Everybody wakes up. You will wake up.
Yeah.
Just takes time.
Who is more jealous? Italian men or Italian women?
It's the same. It's the same. It's just how you show it. It's the same. It's the same.
My point of view, I'll say the women.
No.
And I don't mean it in disrespect. I mean it as I feel like the women would do so much, but not because, let's say, a man's perspective, but to compete with each other as women to women.
Yes.
Do I make sense?
That's where I was thinking. That's where my brain was going, because you guys don't compete with you. You don't compete. It's hard for me to put this. You guys compete for this with other women. We're a little different, right?
You don't compete with other women.
Of course you do.
No, you don't.
Why not?
Some people.
Because if you're confident enough, I don't have to compete with anybody else.
But now you're talking about you. We're not talking about you. We're talking about in a general aspect. Because let me give you an example, right? A guy.
Guys are too, but I just
yes,
different
but
level.
you see what I'm saying? Okay, what I'm trying to say is this. Why do women, and I want to get your general answer to this, why do women put on, I guess, a certain amount of makeup for when they go out or when they're with, or if they want to go find somebody or this,
Well,
this,
that's
and
a
that?
hard one.
No, it's not. Because guys, we don't care for makeup as much or whatever. We like the natural look. But I'm just saying, you see where I'm going with this?
Because we live in a society that carries a double standard. Because if you're a woman, you're supposed to look pretty when you go out. And a lot of times, I'm going to tell you something. If you're going out to find a man, you're an idiot. You should be going out to live your life and have fun.
Right. No, I agree with that.
Like,
Yes.
in general, and I'm not saying I'm
100%.
in general. And like, if you want to put on makeup, as you should. If that makes you feel good, as you should. If you want to get dressed up nice, as you should. That's
Absolutely.
your personality.
Yes.
You don't have to. You want to not wear makeup, as you should. You should do what makes you happy. But we live in a society, unfortunately, where there is a very big double standard between what a man should look like or whatever and what a woman should be. And that is the fact. And that is a tale as old as time.
Yeah, because from my understanding and the way I look at it is, if you look fine, minimal, none, whatever, a lot of the times I'm seeing that these women are putting on makeup like in heavy amounts, in ridiculous quantities or whatever it is, not because they want to look good for another guy or whatever it is because they're trying to, I guess, start like a I look better than her.
No.
It's a fight with another
Again,
woman.
it's
No,
not.
it's
It's not
not.
all
I didn't
women.
say all
It's not,
women.
it's not. You're not.
I've heard this. I've heard this firsthand.
You have heard it. I have a group of women that are friends that like
Sure, yeah.
when we go out and we put on makeup, it's not
Yeah.
because we're in competition.
No,
Nobody
not with
cares.
friends. Between friends,
I know.
no.
I know. If
No,
you've
no,
seen
no,
it,
no.
'cause-
In general,
Yeah,
in life.
yeah. Because I've seen it where, let's say, I don't know, we're best friends with other women, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And sometimes you get comfortable, and they get comfortable with you too. So you
Right.
just hear them spout.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And you ever seen it when, I guess older Italian women were notorious for this. When someone walks in the room, it's quick to judgmental the
Yes.
person. Look at the
Yeah,
shoes
yeah.
she's wearing. Look at the hair she's wearing.
Yeah.
And then, like in 2-3 days, she got the shoes. She got the hair.
Yeah.
And that's a little bit of an example too,
No,
like
and I hear it.
unspoken. You know what I
Listen,
mean?
I do my skits like that, right?
course.
But again, everything I do is exaggerated from what I heard. But like
Right.
in general, like who cares? When there's a woman that looks better than me, I'm like, damn, she's real pretty. Good for you, girl.
No, because
you know what I mean?
you are a
Like,
better person.
But I'm not
in
a better.
general.
I'm not a better person. I'm not a better.
Why not?
Because I'm not. I don't in life. I am not better than anybody else. I feel like we're all equals. You know what I mean? I'm not better than anybody else.
We're not all equals, because I got another question.
Hold on. What makes it different is this: are you self-aware?
I'm very self-aware.
yeah.
That already makes you a better person, because there are those who are unaware of themselves. That makes them worse. When you are self-aware, you aware of what your faults are. That's already a step up
Look,
in life.
I say this even in my career, right?
Sure.
So I have a supervisory role, and I always say this, right? And I'm always like, when people come up to me, I'm like, I'm no different than you. I'm like, we all have different roles in life, and this is my role, and this is your role, and my role wouldn't exist if you didn't do your part, and vice versa. So, is it a mentality? Maybe it's a mentality, but I don't feel anyone's better than anyone else. You know what I mean?
Saying better is like a very
Like everybody plays a different role in this life.
sure.
You know what I mean? And your role is just as important as my role, just as important as, even and it's silly to say, like, even when you meet somebody that has a mental illness, or somebody that's homeless, or somebody that has like a drug addiction problem, I am not better than you. This is just the cross that you're carrying in this life. And if anything, I should learn from you, so I know how to deal with different people.
Right.
That's what I mean. Like
It's experience.
whatever you call it.
Yeah.
But I'm not like, I feel like we're all equal in different ways. Right?
Yeah. I mean, equal in different ways, but there are differences.
Yes, there are
amongst.
differences. There
And I
are.
don't mean just personality. It's just in general, like moral standpoint, how
Right.
you process things. Do you truly understand? Like shit like that. Like that what makes everyone different and kind of forms your personality.
It
for
does
who
form
you
your
are.
personality. Like for me, like not to get off topic. Like
No, go ahead.
I believe in Jesus Christ, right? And it's like every apostle was a sinner who was an adulterer, who was a killer, who whatever. So at the end of the day, it's like I am not here to judge.
Mhm.
I am not. If you are not my cup of tea, I don't need to deal with you.
Absolutely.
But am I better? Do I feel like no? I feel like we just all play different roles.
That's fine. Yeah, I agree.
One more last question for this topic for Nancy.
Okay.
What annoys you the most about Italian men?
They cheat.
Really?
They cheat.
Do
All
you
of
think Italian
I
men
don't think all
are the
Italian
most
men cheat.
cheaters?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't. I think, but that's what annoys me. And I never, when I was married, I never saw it. When I was married, I never saw it because my husband Sal was a really good guy, and he shunned me from a lot of things. Now, and I don't want to cry because now,
You see it.
oh my God,
Mm-hmm.
You see it because I'm guessing Italian men come on you who are married or did.
no, I'm not even gonna say that. I'm just gonna say you just go through things, right? You go through things.
Mhm.
You see it. Sometimes you're like, oh my God,
Fuck was
like-
that?
Yeah, like what? But and I'm not saying, and I don't. Oh God, I don't want it to come back to me like she said they're all. I'm not saying.
That's why I
that.
said you're
I'm
not talking.
It's not just Italian men.
It's not just Italian men.
It's
not
all
just,
men.
No, I'm not saying that.
I'm
Because
kidding.
I'm
I'm
not saying
kidding.
that.
I'm kidding.
I'm not saying that.
No, listen. I think
But
if anyone who has a half a brain that's listening to this understands where you're coming
Yeah,
from.
I'm saying.
Do you think general, no Italian?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think men cheat more or women treat more?
I think we live in a society where it's very equal.
Yeah.
Right?
It's been
very
looking like
equal.
that.
It's very equal. And it's made very easy. Because you know what? You want to go on a dating app, you go on a dating app. You want to go on your Instagram and you look at your DMs.
Mhm.
Now you have like we're gonna talk about this. Trauma bonds.
Oh, those
What
are great.
is this thing with
Yeah.
trauma bonds?
Yeah, but
I'm
that's
like,
true. But it's a true thing.
Did you ever hear that? I never
Of course
heard
I
that
have.
before.
What is it? I don't even know.
I
what
hear
that
it
is.
at work.
Marcus, explain it. Explain it.
What's
it.
trauma bonding?
Yeah, trauma
So
bonding.
trauma bonding is when you and at least one other individual, you guys kind of compare notes on your traumas, and that's what make you
And
guys
that's the connection.
connect.
Doc?
If it's
And
two
that's your
guys,
connection.
yes.
Hell, what's
no,
going on?
You never heard of this?
you never-
I would never do that shit.
You
no,
would
you do it
never.
subconsciously. You might be doing it subconsciously.
So basically, it's like you have formed
right.
you have formed this relationship with this person over all the negative things in your life, and at the moment,
You just
You-
trade.
yeah,
Can I give an example?
Yes.
How many times have me and you talked about how we got our asses beat growing up?
Oh, for my parents?
We trauma bonded.
We doc.
It's a trauma bond. Yeah. So that's
We
but
docked
now,
emotionally.
but now think that you have now established this relationship,
Right.
this bond, this love. Okay, well, love, whatever you want to call it.
Whatever, yeah.
Over negative stuff.
Right.
Okay. So now you're trauma bonded. So now it's like, do you really love each other? No, you just like you both.
You
went
feel
through these,
empathetic
like-
for each other.
Not even, because a lot of people, I'm going to tell you right now, there's a difference between sympathy and empathy, and 75% of the population doesn't know how to be empathetic.
Okay, that's fine.
You
I
know
can
what
agree.
I mean?
I can agree with that.
Like, for sure. But anyway, yeah. So imagine that.
And I understand it because you want to feel like you're heard. And then when you have someone who
Go to therapy. Go to therapy.
doesn't always work.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, you want to
I
be
understand.
heard.
No, I hear what you're saying.
Get a friend.
But if you found that other person, again, hypothetically, that was in that situation that you can bounce back and forth from, right? Without having a non-biased standing opinion, well, how does that make you feel? Fuck you. I want someone who was in the trenches, in the same trenches that I was, and that actually understands the damage that it was done. While it's not healthy, it's easy to make that
But
connection.
Marcus, if you meet a person
Mm-hmm.
that is genuinely a good person,
Yes.
whether they went through it or not, they'll understand you, because a person will love you for who you are, what you're not.
But there, unfortunately, on the other side of that, there are people who says, "I'm sorry, I have to go." While this would have been I can't handle your baggage.
Well,
as
that wasn't your person.
Understood.
That wasn't your person. Your person.
What's your turn off in a girl? I'm just curious.
My turn off in a girl?
If talk, just them talking,
No,
speaking,
no.
breathing, being next
No,
to them.
That's why I
just
feel like
turned
I got
on.
out of that. You know.
Will you shut the fuck up? No, I'm just kidding.
You like your teeth? That's
No,
Marcus.
no. Honestly, I'm being really honest with you. I have very little turn-offs, I guess. I'm a very well melded person. Like I ditto a lot of what I hang around. So I meld easy with a lot of people. I had a lot of friends growing up, a lot of people I get on. Never had that issue. Never had that problem. So I guess what any other guy doesn't want to hear, I guess, or doesn't like in a typical general thing, probably for me wouldn't be okay. But, you know, I'm on these dating apps now and I'm realizing a lot of these things are just people just, you want a guy's perspective? Women just want validation. That's it. They want to put themselves on these apps. They talk about themselves. They say, want to find a genuine guy. Genuine guy comes along, says what's up, does nothing with it. Why? Because they just want to feel validated. They
Okay,
just
so
want.
you want to know how a woman feels?
Sure, go ahead.
Great. So now you're a woman, you're successful in your career, you hold down your own home, you hold down your own kids, you have your own money, you don't need anybody to pay bills. Guess
Go
what?
ahead.
They don't want to be with you.
Oh, okay.
You know why they don't want to be with you?
'Cause
Because you're
you're
too strong.
Yeah.
You're too strong. Because now you're too tough, you're too this, you're too that. How does that work? You're a good person. You want to do the right thing for someone,
absolutely.
but now you're too strong.
Yeah.
That's not okay either.
So I get screwed both ways.
So do I. It's perspective.
Can I be honest with you?
Sure.
When I see profiles, just in the very general, let's just say everything that you just said. I'm gonna say, like, let's just say there was a clone of you on there, right? And you had the kids.
She
the
better
house,
not be
this.
prettier than me, okay?
I said clone. That means exact same. So, to be honest with you, that would be the person I go for.
But that's
Because again, speaking for me,
Right.
I look at that and I said, someone has their shit together. This could be
Yeah,
awesome.
but guys don't like that. Not all guys like that.
Which is insane. But again, on the guy's side,
Yeah.
because you're speaking from the female side, fine. From the guy side, why am I even on here? Am I on here just to swipe and make you feel good about you? I feel like I'm just wasting time at this point. And it's a real thing where there's been studies, there's been things that most of these swipes that guys make, genuine guys who are looking for something, they don't get seen because the people that we're swiping on, they just want to feel good about themselves, saying, if I wanted, I could have. For them, it's a menu. Not for us. We don't get menu. Whatever we get, we work with and see what we could, because what we get. You guys have options beyond options.
Are you out of your mind?
1000%
That
correct.
is not true.
That is 100%
Women
true.
do not see, and this is where we go wrong. Women do not have these options that you say we do. We do not. When you're pretty, they don't want to come up to you because you're pretty. When you're successful, they don't want to come up to you because they're intimidated, because they feel as though, like, God knows what. You know what I mean? That's not true.
I feel like then at
That is
point,
not true.
Then I feel like at that point, then you're not dealing with the man, you're dealing with an immature child.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can be dealing with an immature child. But I'm telling you, like,
You can't have a few apples spoil the bunch, which is what I feel like was what's going on here. A few apples do spoil the bunch.
well, you know what it is? Those are the really loud apples that, like, you know.
I say it's unfortunate, but that's what that is now.
I don't know. I feel as though it is very tough to meet a genuinely nice person because people are at our age, people
Are
are
judgmental
broken.
too.
Well, they're judgmental.
Yeah.
People are broken,
Yeah.
and you know
Hard to trust.
Yes and no. It's just people are broken, and you need to find your broken needs to match their broken, and you need to whatever.
Trauma bond.
No.
I know. I'm kidding.
No trauma bonding. No trauma bonding.
I have a trauma bonding question here,
Go ahead.
and it's something my wife brought up once, and I thought it was a good topic. I want to change up this dating scene because you were getting too emotional, Marcus.
No, I'm just telling you what's going on. That's
Do
all.
you also feel like our parents, and again, this is something Enza said, do you feel that our parents treated their daughters differently than their sons?
I don't know because I grew up with 3 girls. I have 3
all
sisters.
guys on my side, so I wouldn't know either.
I wouldn't
But
know.
do you feel like your parents held you down?
Oh my god.
Because you weren't a guy.
Because, and again, you have no brothers, right?
I have no brothers, but yeah.
Right?
I wasn't like
Okay.
allowed. I was not allowed to do anything until I was 17 years old because I went to my Uncle Vinny's house in Staten Island and started crying and was like,
He was the fun
"They don't
uncle?
make me go out." No, he wasn't even he was an immigrant. He was an immigrant. He was an immigrant that came from Cropsey Avenue, moved to Staten Island. Like, and I was just like, they won't make me do anything. And my Aunt Kathy, who's Calabrese, all right, goes, Franca, non è giusto, la fare nascere tua figlia, ma che fa? Like, you know what I mean? Like, could you imagine the Calabrese was the one that offended me? Like, you know what I mean?
The level-headed one.
Right? Like, she was the level-headed one in this. Could you imagine? But like, no, I don't know. My parents were really strict. Like
So if you think you had a brother, that would have been different.
yeah, my father used to say it all the time. He's like, if I had a son, I'd be like, go to Germany. My dad was from Sicily. My dad told his mother he was going to work at the cafe in Sicily when he was 16 years old. You know what he did?
He went to America.
He went to Germany. He called his mom when he was at Germany. He was like, and that's how he started his travels.
Holy shit.
So my dad, it was like me. So
You know what would have happened to me if I told my mother I'm not coming back?
This is Sicily. This
Yeah.
is like you.
Come find me.
Yeah,
It's a lot harder back then.
you know what I mean? Like, like my dad. Like I always say, like my dad was like he always said, like if I had a son, he goes, I'd make that kid like real independent. But my dad was really independent. Like I
Right.
always say, if I had to choose between a parent who I'm like, mother and father, I'm like my father. I'm like, I'm gonna get it done. Don't you worry about it. We'll get there. Like you know.
So was it like living at home till marriage?
Yeah. Oh my God. Even excuse me, when I was married, my husband Sal and I, because my mother has like a mother's daughter in Howard Beach, we like lived there for a little bit. My mom would knock on the door. Un fare babies, okay? Un fare babies, because when a time of fare babies, my husband's like, we gotta get out of here. I'm like, yeah, let it
And
happen.
you guys were married already.
You guys were married.
Jesus.
Fighting babies.
Un fare babies. I'm like, okay.
One question I missed because I would like to get. I know I love you.
You son of a bitch. I already
Gonna say something.
The dating scene. I don't want to go
What's
back
up
to it,
with
but
the
this
dating scene?
because it's more for him.
No, go ahead. What the fuck? I don't care.
Split the bill or pay the bill.
You better be paying that bill. You are the man.
She told me not to say it. Look, she's
You
gonna
better be
let me know.
paying that bill.
I just thought of you when
Yeah,
that popped in my mind.
Marcus. Here we go. Here we go. If you say something, let's go. Come on.
Can I ask a question on top of the question?
No, you can't. Just answer the
I need to
question.
ask a question.
Just
I need
answer
to
the
a-
question.
No,
You want a glass of water
no,
first?
no.
It might be your
I
last
want to
cup of
ask
water.
a question.
No, you
after this
can't ask
question.
clarifying questions.
No, yes, I can.
No, you may not.
Yeah, this. Trust me, you're gonna need me to do this.
I'm really
The
not.
question is, will I be seeing them again willingly? If
I don't
everything went
know.
well?
Who cares?
No, I need to
No.
know.
Who cares?
Who
You took
cares?
a chance.
Marcus.
You took her out.
You are the man. You are supposed to pay that bill. There is no. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
You're a man.
Will I? Yes. Well, but I would feel better about it if I know it doesn't end there.
Well, what are you gonna be like? Oh, seems like I'm not gonna like you.
No,
again,
I'm very
so-
perceptive. If I'm sitting there going, yeah, we're not going to
Well,
see
with
each
that
other again.
attitude,
Yo, there's no room for
What are
fucking
you talking?
breathing.
The answer
no,
is yes.
with that
You pay the bill.
attitude,
No,
Yeah, you pay the bill.
you're
And here's-
paying the bill. That's what it is.
And here's my thing.
paying the bill.
Okay, you know
No,
why?
say it like you mean it.
Either
Say it with
call-
some chutzpah.
Either it costs you $150 for a great night or $150 to
Listen,
get rid of.
regardless.
Yeah, either
regardless-
way,
hold
like,
on,
you know,
hold on.
it's gonna cost you.
Regardless the joke, yes, I will pay the bill.
Oh, you would?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
I don't
I
really
always
believe
have.
him.
No,
I don't really believe him, Frank.
I don't know. He doesn't look like.
See, you Scorpios are very skeptical.
No, look,
So-
Aquarius,
But
flaky.
you Aquarius look like a malandrina.
Flaky.
All I'm gonna say
Melanchina
is
for
this:
sure.
will I? Have I? Yes. Will I? Yes. Even if the date hasn't gone well, it's kind of like in my head. I'm like, well, that's not.
You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna be like, "Excuse me, I just gotta go to the bathroom for a moment," and just like dip out.
I
Like,
would.
that's
I
it.
would. You know what the
He's
funny
gonna
part is?
lie.
I would love to have the balls to do that. I wouldn't, but I would love to have the balls to do it.
I've done that before. I'm like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I gotta go."
Look at that. Look at this double standard we're running here. Don't you love it? Why didn't you finish the date?
I couldn't do it.
Wait.
You-
You just left mid-date?
Yes. Yes. That's exactly what she just
I
said.
couldn't do it. I
That's
couldn't do
so
it.
bad, though.
And then
Not
the
so
guy-
bad. I felt unsafe. I had to leave.
Well, that's-
Unsafe. No.
no, don't even. I
How?
felt
How?
unsafe.
How?
I felt it was a character.
What?
I felt it was like not a good character.
Like he showed up like Ace Ventura? Like what?
No. How so? How so?
I was not.
Because so you're saying there are circumstances.
there are circumstances.
Wow, on one side there's a circumstance, on the
But
other
there
one
could
there's
be
none.
wait, no, there could be a circumstance on your side too.
Can I hear it so I can use it?
Listen, what if you get there and she's a little like, what are you gonna do?
What does that mean?
You know, like what if she's a little crazy? What are you gonna do? You're gonna stay
Actually,
there?
I would pay extra for that. No, but I'm
No,
just
that
saying.
don't pay extra for.
Yeah.
That he won't question. That he won't
Nancee,
question. Get
I've
out
known
of here.
him for 30 plus years. He gets turned on by the weirdest shit. That's,
Oh, you one of those?
You love
with
what
the-
you love, you know. It's
You
like you're
love what
walking, like you walk in the door. She's like just immediately
Wait,
like
I have a
punching
question.
the gut.
Hold
Yeah,
on,
sure. What's
excuse
up?
me. What is your type? I want to hear this.
I don't. Again, but that goes along with the other thing.
No,
like,
no. What is your type? I hear that you.
he likes big
All right.
dresses and a mustache.
All right.
All right, okay.
Hold on. When you mean type, do you got to be a little more specific? Personality, or what do you mean?
You, what's your type?
No, but there's in what sense?
Like, what's your type? And like someone that you like could fall in love with.
You want me to get mushy now? Is this the
Yeah, get
time? Are you gonna
mushy.
fuck with it, or what are you gonna?
No,
be
we're not gonna
serious?
say
No.
anything.
I'm gonna post this every day.
And this is a Girl
The same
Scout
clip
honor.
over and
Same
over
clip
again.
every day.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna repost it too, just to remind him.
Okay.
Just tag him on anything like 5
Exactly.
times.
Hold on.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. Okay, my type. My type is someone where I feel like I can be anywhere and it'll be home with her.
Oh, that's so nice. But that's that's a feeling. Like
That is a feeling.
That is a feeling. Feelings fleet. Feelings come and go.
Yeah, but if it's
You
genuine,
have
it
to
should
love somebody,
stay.
regardless of what you feel.
But that's why I was asking, when you mean what your type, like physically, what? Obviously, I don't care if she's taller than me. Okay, let's go into things that I don't care about. I don't give a fuck about height.
All right.
That's number one.
Okay.
Number two, I don't really genuinely care about the weight thing. I was big all my life. I really don't care.
Okay.
That's two things I don't give a shit about.
Okay.
I care about if you respect me
Okay.
and my friends.
That's nice.
Because family, yeah, that's important too, but I see less of them anyway, so that'll be like maybe 3 times a year we see family. All right, that's
Okay.
3 things.
Okay.
Number 4, comfortable with each other,
Right.
playing stupid jokes,
Yeah,
joking
yeah,
around. I have a mouth on me.
Right.
Have
So
one
they
on
have
you.
to know, right? Yeah.
That's it. I'm so bread and butter simple. It's not even
Sì,
funny.
un pezzivana.
That's it.
Un pezzivana.
But
Ladies, are we listening here?
no, apparently no, they don't.
Ladies,
No,
are
it's
we
fine.
listening here?
It's fine. They don't want it. They don't want. I'm not 6'2".
That's not true. Stop.
Here we go.
Stop.
I'm telling you, my
Stop
bank
it.
account doesn't have 120 grand
Did
in
he just say
it.
he's 6'2"?
He said
I
he's
said I'm not 6'2".
You
Okay.
need to stop. No, stop it. Women don't care about height.
Yes, they do. Oh my fucking God. Yes, they do. Anything under 5'6", you are a gremlin. I've heard it from many a mouth. Trust me.
You know who you just remind me of? Remember a couple of years ago when that little weird Italian guy, the bagel boss, was fighting?
Oh my God! Yes.
Oh,
when he wigged out in the bagel store.
Think
Yes.
it's funny that people make fun of me because I'm 5'2"?
It's not a joke,
No,
man. It's
no,
peak. You know why? Because women
stop.
want to feel protected. They want to be with a man, and a
Look,
real
I'm not
man is
sa-
above
I'm-
6
look, I'm not,
5'6".
I'm not saying I'm not.
I'm sorry,
Marcus,
I
listen
know,
to
but
me.
I disagree with that.
No,
Marcus,
you personally
Marcus.
disagree with
Yeah.
that. That's what makes you superstar.
Here's
I
my
am not a
opinion.
superstar. I am like everybody else.
No, you're not.
I don't think,
Go ahead.
and I'm not an expert in
No,
this.
go ahead.
I think what women like, one,
Mhm.
is you, as a man, just be self-strength and confident on themselves.
Absolutely.
Wait, and look, come on, like look at Napoleon, the French guy. And,
Bonaparte?
yes, him.
What
Well,
about
he
him?
was like a short guy, and look
He
at
was
him.
a fucking emperor. Are you kidding me?
Exactly.
I mean, literally. He was
But he had to get there. He wasn't
He
always
was
an emperor.
crazy.
Exactly.
They like a bad boy. I'm telling you, it's very sad. I'm looking at all these things. These
Stop
chicks.
it!
want-
Stop
Oh
it!
my
You're
God.
selling yourself short.
I'm not
now.
short.
You are.
That was a short joke. No. Listen, I'm telling you, because
can't.
women want to feel protected. They want to feel they're with a man. They want to
Marcus,
feel with somebody. I'm
stop
telling
it.
you what I'm hearing.
What do
I'm
you
not
mean?
making this up. I can't pull this out of the air. I can't do it.
talking to?
People, I go outside. I go to work. I see society.
Oh,
I'm
who-
not blind and or deaf. I see what's going on.
Okay, nobody said you were. Okay.
So this is why I brought up the whole dating thing.
Right.
Not because I was judgmental on differences. It's because there's a difference when we were young
Yes, there is. Yeah.
and when he goes. Because honestly,
Yeah.
where do people go today?
They don't.
Like we used to go back then, and it used to be just so many people.
You just have to go out and you have to live life.
Where?
Anywhere.
Go ahead. Tell me I gotta go pick up
Anywhere,
a
you just have to-
barfly.
Who's telling you to go to the hole in the
Where? Oh,
walls?
please.
Wait, where?
Show me where.
You know, like the hole in the walls, like those.
yeah,
like,
yeah.
yeah. Stop going there.
I don't go to there because I know what's
Wait
there.
a minute. Glory holes?
No. What?
How dare I say the things that I say
talking about?
Because what's a transplant? Because I know where he was going with that, but I'm the
I
dirty
didn't want
one.
it to go that way. Don't film
I never
that.
heard of going with this holes in the walls.
No, it's a hole in the
It's
wall.
a-
Is like
a junk place,
Yeah,
like
like,
nobody
like
knows.
a
Hole in the wall is.
dive,
It's
like
for
a
flush toilet.
dive.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You guys made me break a sweat.
People my age and younger, they don't go out. Like he said before.
have
They
to-
go,
I
where,
know.
Nancy? They
That's
don't
not true.
go.
That's not true.
Go ahead.
Because we just had an event.
And then I'm gonna cross you on that
Oh
one.
yeah, I don't. The event. Listen, you can't pick an event like at that event. You really who are you gonna pick up that at that event?
Go ahead, say why.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm not.
Say
Gonna
why.
I am not gonna say why.
Okay, if you won't, I will. Sunirikered. No, I'm not kidding.
No,
no,
querer.
not all of them. Most of them were.
Oh,
Oh, come
you
on.
calling me old?
Said most of them.
Excuse me.
Said most of them.
Excuse me. They're like our age, number one.
Okay.
Okay, some of them, yeah, okay, a little bit, more.
How
tan than
many?
they should
Okay,
be.
here's an even better clarification. How many of them were my age? Go ahead.
You had a lot of people.
They were
your
mixed.
age. It was mixed.
No.
You had yes.
I think predominantly they were probably our range,
look
but
at
they were
it.
mixed.
No,
Yeah.
looking in, no.
Besides the-
Everyone
Marcus,
there.
what are you talking about?
If we were to do a percentage, I would say about 5% were around my age. Everybody else was older by 5 years.
Marcus, everybody
older.
there was like in their 40s.
Yeah, it
How
wasn't.
old do you think I am?
I know you're in your 30s. I get it.
35.
Okay, so big deal.
You want to go to?
I don't care about that, but I'm saying we're talking about my
So maybe you need an older woman.
I wouldn't mind that.
Well,
Hello.
there you go. There was a
There
move
you
forward.
go. You know how many people were like single over there, ready to mingle?
I'm
I'm not
sorry, was I
saying-
not in the same fucking room?
No, you were in the corner by the freaking door the whole time. That is
No,
where I
not the
saw
whole time.
you.
That's where I saw you.
75% of the time.
I was in front of the DJ
Because I went
booth.
to go say hi to
First of all,
Frank.
okay.
And he was there by the
Hold
DJ
on.
booth, and you were. I couldn't even see you.
No, no, well,
and not
the
because of
crowd
your
was
height,
insane.
because you were just like so put aside.
Oh, because I'm short?
Another short
So there
joke.
you go.
That's two.
Let's get to 3. So
We're gonna go for the Holy
Okay.
Trinity. We're gonna go
Here-
near you. We gotta do it.
here we go. Let's talk about the setting. Sure. Was there probably people willing? No problem. Can't hear shit. Couldn't move around. How do you mingle
It's
in an
not
area
about
like that?
hearing
It's not
shit.
about that. It's like you make eye contact.
Oh, I made plenty of eye contact.
And
Not
which
like a
which
fucking
eye?
weirdo.
The one that goes this way or this way?
Yeah,
Now
but
that's a
your-
glasses joke. So now we're 2 and
your-
1.
Your eye contact for Scandale Morte, bro. You gotta
Yeah.
be careful.
Just one money.
I was more than willing. Everyone had their group of friends. They didn't go.
in the corner.
Just
You
stop.
were in the corner. You
Just
were
stop.
like, if we're
Just
in
stop.
like
That
you,
is
you
not
were in
an
the,
area
you
to
were like
do
on
it.
the BQE the last
That
exit.
was not.
You know what
the
it is?
venue.
It's not his scene. He's not used
That's
to
number
it.
1. It's not my scene. But number 2,
That's the
I showed it. That
problem.
was my second one.
It was so fun, right? We had such a good time.
Sure. Third.
That's not his scene.
It's not my scene.
Oh my god.
Because it's okay.
Was it too much polyester?
I heard a lot of rubbing going on in the background.
A lot of sweat.
No, it's a lot.
Was it the headband not okay?
You saw the guy with the headband.
I think we should have. I loved him. I think
I-
we should have done a TikTok on that guy.
Honestly, he was
Whatever he was on,
He was jamming.
I want a next party.
Oh my god, he was a
Dude,
Let's go in.
all the bands that he had were Sergio Tacchini.
They were.
They were Sergio Tacchini bands. He had the fucking light on his roof. He
No,
was fucking
dude, there was
jamming.
one point. I was just like,
Yeah,
I'm like, why is nobody doing a TikTok
He
on
was
this
the
guy?
bell of the ball.
And he was like, oh,
He was the
and
bell
he
of
was
the ball.
doing like the old, like
Yeah, the
moves
Raven.
that- yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was like, dude, I was like,
But those scenes aren't mine. It's way too fucking loud. I'm not saying I have a sensory issue, but it's way too fucking loud. There's nothing. It's not an enjoyable moment.
okay, listen. All joking aside, we're gonna.
Sure,
It's
absolutely.
you have to. You have to pray and you have to live life. That's the only way you're gonna find someone. And it's gotta be like when you're not looking and where it's like you least expect it. Like for real, that's just what it is.
Oh, capiste?
Listen, one time, I never mention names, but one
That's
time
fine. You shouldn't. But
I never mention names, but one time, right? I was like, whatever, annoyed at life. I end up meeting someone and we're from like the same town in Italy.
Mhm.
Okay. Could you imagine from Sicily? And it's like when you're not looking, you look,
course.
you're like, whatever. And it happened to be like, it just happened to be.
Sure.
Was it a good thing? No, it wasn't. But it happened
It
to
happened,
be.
right.
It happens. You know what I mean? Like it is what it is.
Right.
It's when you least expect it. And that's when everything is like, It happens.
Listen,
I'm gonna be
someday.
75 years old.
Listen,
And
someday.
then when I least expect it, primo que me muero, it's gonna be right there.
See, you doubt yourself, but someday
Yeah.
Prince Charming will come your way.
Yeah, Prince Charming for sure.
Based on everything we spoke about and the social media, right, and the Italians and being Sicilian, do you feel that talking about different generations and times changing, are things evolving or things completely changing?
No,
Well,
we're
that's
evolving.
the evolving. That's the evolving
Evolving,
part.
yeah.
They are changing. They're
They
evolving.
are changing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're evolving.
You
yeah.
have to. The world keeps
That's how you
spinning.
learn, right?
Or are we losing something?
We're
You
not
think we're
losing,
losing?
anything.
Okay.
You bring your experience with you, and you evolve with it.
I don't know. I'm like, it's sad.
You have to stop thinking out of it like it's like a complete loss. It's not.
Where I
mean,
feel like it's a complete loss is because, again, maybe I'm sounding like when we think about our grandparents, but I feel like
Donna.
I feel like we hung out in front of stoops.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
yeah.
went to parks. We played handball. We played basketball. We did all these things, right? We used to slap the girl in class that we liked because that was our way of flirting.
Imagine doing that now. Oh, geez.
That's what I mean. Like, I feel like those were true moments.
Yeah.
What moments are our kids having today?
right here.
No, nobody does because the kids do go out. The kids do walk around.
Which
they do
parents let them
things.
out? Because so far I haven't found one set yet.
Listen, I make my kids go out. I'm not saying I make them go out for whatever,
No,
but
you
they
don't
walk
kick 'em
around
out,
with
yeah.
their friends. So we may think that they're not making moments, but they're making moments. There are stories that they tell. You know what I mean?
But their stories are never going to be as good as ours.
Let's hope. Let's hope. Okay. But I do think that, like, when we were younger, right, we would go to Manhattan. You would be 11th Avenue, 12th Avenue. You would, like, and you know what was in 11th and 12th Avenue? It was all the fun places. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That they'll never do. That they'll never experience.
Right. I don't know. I'm just, again, it's sad that they can't experience it because, again, we've talked about it many a time. What's going on in the news? Who's circulating what's going on? Who's getting kidnapped? What about the trafficking?
Okay.
People want to fucking hold their kids in a
Always happened.
bubble.
It's always
And
happened.
I've said that. That's the thing that I've been saying. It's always happened, but now it's more in your face,
It's in
and
your
it
face.
strikes fear into everybody.
Okay, again, you can't live on fear because you know
can't.
what? That's how the devil wants to win. You just have to live life, and it's always happened. There's always been bad things.
That's
There
been my
will
point.
always be bad things. You just need to be vigilant, aware, not say hello to people because you're out of New York. What's wrong with you? Oh, okay.
It's not the fact that when I say why, I have to just be like, "Good morning, sir." Right back. Not what does
You
he
said
want?
that's so aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you said, like that was aggressive.
I'm from New York.
So that's the excuse you're gonna use?
That's what I got.
No. Can't be
And
a
I think
double
next time
standard.
someone calls you short 3 times in a show,
Twice.
you make sure you tell them it's a disability. It's not.
Yeah. Or if somebody goes for the third, you can think of yourself like I dream a genie, and make a wish after to grow a little bit.
Good night, everyone.
Nancy, thank you so much for coming. It's always a good time when you're around.
Absolutely.
You guys are the best. Him. But
Wow.
Frank, you're the best. Marcus, you're the
But we
best.
gotta
go.
Wait. We gotta help. We gotta find somebody for this
Stop.
guy.
I hate it when
God,
people say
let's
that.
do it.
I
let's
hate it
We
when
gotta
people
do
say
something.
I hate it when people say that because then they find the biggest homunculus you could find and say, like,
What?
"See, nothing's good enough for this fucking guy." How
That's
about
not
if you
true.
wouldn't date them yourself, don't present them? That's another one.
But I don't date women.
I didn't say
No,
that.
you
I meant
see,
that
like
as in a
that's
general.
kind of- right?
I said
Like-
homunculus.
And
I
he's
didn't-
married, so like what are you
exactly.
gonna
So
do?
what am I gonna get?
What do you mean? You think we're gonna just get you?
Yeah, what do you think we're gonna get you, Kidera Strata? Relax.
Again, I pay extra for those.
I'm telling you.
Wait, that's the
I wasn't kidding when I said it. He did visit the holes in the walls back in the day. I
Yeah, but he
told you.
called them something
I
else.
told you. He did. Good night, everybody.
All right, guys.
Bye, guys.